A candlestick pattern is a price movement that is shown graphically on a candlestick chart. In technical analysis, candlestick patterns are used to predict future price movements based on the current chart trend. Do you want to know what is the best candlestick pattern indicator in TradingView? Watch this video till the end to find out the answer. Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Trade Club. In this video, I will show you the best candlestick pattern indicator in TradingView. Candlestick charts first appeared in Japan in the 18th century and are still used by millions of traders today. Although the movements of such charts often seem random, they sometimes form patterns that traders use for technical analysis. These patterns are divided between bullish and bearish signals. Bullish patterns indicate that a security's price is likely to go up, whereas bearish patterns indicate that the security's price is likely to go down. Before we go any further, if you are enjoying our video, be sure you subscribe our YouTube channel by click the subscribe button below and leave a like for more high-quality trading content in the future. So let's start this video. Indicator explained. Now I will share with you the bullish and bearish engulfing candle indicator. The bullish engulfing candle is a two-bar reversal pattern where the first bar is a down close or a doji bar. The second bar is a large body up close, closing above the body high of the prior candle. The bearish engulfing candle is a two-bar reversal pattern where the first bar is an up close or a doji bar. The second bar is a large body down close, closing below the body low of the prior candle. Next, I will show you how to set up the indicator. How to install the indicator. You need a TradingView account to use this strategy. Click link in description below and sign up for a free account. Now, go to product and you will see the market chart. Click on it. Choose a currency pair and set the time frame to 4-hour time frame. You can go on indicator menu at the top, search engulfing bearish. Click on it. Now add the engulfing bullish. We don't need to modify the settings because we use the default setting. Now your chart will look like this. Next chapter, we will learn how to use this strategy. But before we see how to use this indicator, I have good information for you. I have a free Forex robot that you can use. Here is the portfolio of my Forex robot in MQL5 and my FX book. Contact me in Telegram for more information. This is the example of buy transaction. You can see in the chart. When there is an engulfing bullish signal, you can go for buy order. Set the stop loss below the lowest point of that candle. Set the take profit 1.5 times, so we are using 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. What will happen to this transaction? This transaction hit the take profit. I will give you an example for sell transaction. You can see in the chart. There is an engulfing bearish signal. You can go for a sell order. Set the stop loss below the highest point of that candle. Set the take profit 1.5 times, so we are using 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. This transaction completely hit the target. We are using TraderEdge to do a backtest. TraderEdge is the best backtesting web application. Not just a backtest, you can find another strategy with high win rate that has been tested. This application makes you can do the backtest faster than using the Excel. Trader Edge has a 7-day free trial, so there's absolutely no risk at all. Go ahead and click the link in the description below. Backtesting result. Before we discuss about the result, please support this video by giving like and subscribing to this channel. Your support is very important for this channel. Now, we can see the result of this strategy. This candlestick pattern has 55 profit trade and 44 loss trade. It means on 1-to-1.5 risk-reward ratio, this strategy has 55% of win rate. The consecutive profit is 5 trades in a row and the consecutive loss is 5 in a row. The account starts from $1,000 and has 75% account growth. So our last balance is $1,750. Conclusion. Here is my conclusion. This strategy is on our rank 20 from our strategy list. I think we need to combine this indicator with another trading indicator. So that's all about the best candlestick pattern indicator in TradingView. Thank you for watching our video. And I hope you understand how to use this new trading strategy useful for you. So that we can grow, please support this channel by giving a like and subscribing to the channel. Disclaimer. We are on Simple Trade Club that create this video is for education purposes only and not a financial advice for you. We are not responsible for any profit or loss you had when using this trading strategy. Don't forget to join our free Telegram channel so you can get free education like ebook or trading signals for free. See you in the next video and have a good day everyone.